DIY tip for the day. For those of you who are thinking about putting wallpaper up, here's just something that I actually just learned the other day. So this room was painted in a darker green, and originally we did pick out an accent color for the room, but we wanted to do a wallpaper wall. And originally I was going to have them hold on painting the wallpaper wall, because I was thinking, why do you need to, spend the money to paint that wall if we're going to put paper over it? But when I talked to my wallpaper lady, she said it's always best to go ahead and paint the wallpaper wall in a neutral color, because what happens is you will get the previous painter, depending on how good they did, can get the colors on the ceiling, on the crown, on the baseboard. And if you aren't going back over those with a neutral color before you put the wallpaper up, what will happen is you'll end up putting the wallpaper up and you'll end up seeing those colors that were left behind, especially if it's a dark color. So we did go ahead in this case and have them paint the wallpaper wall, make sure they got all the remnants of green covered up with the new paint, and that way when she comes in and puts in the wallpaper, it's not going to be showing up out the top or out the bottom. So that is a tip that will hopefully help you if you are considering wallpapering a room.